Debt syndication.
Resurgent India deals with various corporates, SMEs, and mid-corporate clients and administers structured financing solutions to satisfy their capital and other financing needs. We employ various types of debt instruments to help businesses raise funds. Project finance. Project finance is the long-term financing of commercial manufacturing or any other such projects based upon the projected cash flows of the project. Working capital finance. A working capital loan is a short-term loan that's taken to finance a company's everyday operations. Equipment loans. Equipment financing is the use of a loan or lease to get or borrow hard assets for your business. Structured financing. Structured financing is a debt instrument available to companies with complex financing needs. Acquisition funding. Acquisition financing is a type of funding used specifically to acquire another company. Promoter funding. Funding provided to promoters of well-managed companies to boost funds against their stake in the company. Mezzanine funding. Mezzanine funding is a type of junior capital between senior debt financing and equity. Overseas funding. Overseas funding refers to a fund that invests in companies outside the country of residence of the investor.